would be considered for the next gig. Yeah, a couple of inside edges got Fakhar Zaman going. His bat comes down at an angle, we all know that, but he's got solid temperament and somehow can play such shots as well. Chandimal had a great day with the bat. Positive in 10 and took on the off-spinner brilliantly. Almost hitting him out of the attack. The field was up on the offside. It kept on hitting him through the offside. A lot of common sense regarding that batting because he's looking to hit the ball as straight as possible. And wonderful Dhananjay with a great cotton ball. He had a splendid game, a 50 with the bat and miserly with the ball, including the wicket of Fakhar Zaman. In the end, it was walk in the park for Kandy. Chandimal then got run out as well. But by the time the damage has been done, it was an opening partnership that set them up for this run chase that became easier when Lpl Match and Mohammad Asif were at it.
Little piece of brilliance along the way for Hayden Kerb. Great caught and bowled there, never easy, and you thought maybe there was a twist in the tail. That wasn't to be. Excellent pull shot. Put away any width as well. Strike rate of 200. And then Lpl Match in on the act as well. Got the job done. Got it done in a hurry in the end.